Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are reviewing a wig by Unice. If you're interested, stay tuned. Human hair wig, girl, don't want to miss it. Alright guys, we're going to unbox this wig and show you exactly what's inside of the box. You have the wig itself right here, and then you have a hair headband. I'm just going to show you what the wig looks like, okay? Removing the paper and things. This is a 13 by 6 water wave lace front unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair. That's what the website says. 20 inches is what it says. It also says that it is pre-plucked with baby hair. So there's the combs on the inside, 2 combs at the top, and then you have a comb at the very back of the unit with adjustable straps. The wig cap came also with the wig, so I applied my wig cap, and then I'm just showing you exactly what the wig looks like on without the cut lace, okay? And then yeah, I'm gonna go into my bathroom, boom, trying the wig on again, and then applying my glue. I've already cut my lace here. I did not show that part, apologies. I'm just applying my 30-second dry glue, and then just applying the lace onto the glue. Now you guys, when I first put this wig on, I was like, okay, it is a very roomy and big head friendly. I love it. So when I do glue my lace down, it does not pull, if that makes sense. It is just like the perfect fit. Like I said, you have adjustable straps. You can make this wig tighter, but I'm just shocked at how big head friendly it is. It also reacts great to product and, you know, any hair products. Now, I did not do anything to the lace to make it the color of my skin. You're going to want to customize your lace if possible. Just do that to make it look more seamless, if that makes sense. I did kind of lay my baby hairs down. I didn't really thin them out. I cut them. I didn't thin them out. You're going to want to thin them out also. I did not do that. I also think the wig could use a little more plucking in the front as well, although it does state that the wig is pre-plucked. I can see where it has been plucked already, but I feel like you could do just a tad bit more. But all in all, you guys, this hair is absolutely soft. If you're an expert at applying wigs, this wig will look flawless to you. Do check out the other pictures of reviews on the Amazon page of this company. You will be blown away for sure. Thanks guys so much for watching. All links are in the description box. This particular unit and other similar units by Unice. Check it out for me, please. Thanks guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.